Don't miss this vehicle. Make a great choice today with this must-have ride. Learn more about this vehicle by contacting the dealership today and complete your driving dreams. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, LED headlights, driver illuminated vanity mirror, four-wheel disc brakes, rear wheel drive. Come see the car for yourself.